be showing you guys how to make some delicious apple pie bars. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to be making is my crust, and the ingredients I will need is 115 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of brown sugar, 2 pinches of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 125 grams of all-purpose plain flour. Now I'm going to add these into my bowl. Now I'm going to mix this up and see you after it's done. As soon as you finish mixing your crust, you should add it into your baking pan, then flatten it out, make sure it's covering the whole base, make sure it does. Then I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes and I'll see you for the next part. Whilst my crust is in the oven for 15 minutes, I'm going to start making my apple filling. And the ingredients I'll need for it is 2 large apples that have been peeled and thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose plain flour, a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 pinch of nutmeg. Now I'm going to add these into my bowl and I'm going to mix it up. You have to make sure your apples are evenly coated. Now I'm going to put this to the side and see for the next part. Finished in the oven, I'm going to add my apple filling on top. Make sure it coats the whole crust. And then I'm going to add on top my topping. Make sure it does the same thing and covers the filling. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. See you after it's done. Once it's all finished in the oven, you put it aside for 20 minutes to cool down, then you put it in the fridge for 2 hours. See you after it's done. Now it's all plated and it has been nicely dressed, it's time to taste. That's delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.